IBS Center for Nanomedicine is built on the philosophy of center without barriers, and we aim to create team science, big science, and cross-boundary science in the center. IBS CNM has strived to create a research culture and an environment which are essential for a long-term, world-class nanomedicine research. We have recruited and fostered the next generation scientific minds and become a global hub in nanomedicine where scientists around the world could come and work together to tackle challenging problems in nanobiosciences. IBS CNM provides an open, inclusive, and interactive environment where scientists with diverse backgrounds and experiences are invited. We work together to push forward the frontiers of nanosciences to understand how the biological systems operate.
In IBS CNM, we are committed to make breakthroughs and expand frontiers of nanomedicine. The researches in IBS CNM can be defined into three major themes. First, we are developing evolutionary nanomaterials, the nanomaterials that can attain novel properties in response to surrounding environments. We are trying to understand their underlying chemistry and design principles. Second, we are using these nanomaterials to examine biology really precisely at single cell and single molecule levels. The work in IBS CNM have already unveiled important mechanisms of many biological processes, such as neuronal activations, cell differentiation, and even CRISPR gene editing. Third, based on our growing understanding of biological mechanisms at nanobio interface, we aim to innovate nanomedicine. IBS CNM has made exciting scientific discoveries and technological innovations that really improved our way to study biology and understand disease, which has led to over 140 scientific publications, many of them in prestigious and field-leading journals such as Nature Materials, Nature Biotechnology, and Nature Biomedical Engineering. We envision IBS CNM will become leading research institute and global hub where collaborative and highly cross-disciplinary sciences will converge and make exciting scientific discoveries that provides fundamental insight into biology.
So the first thing we decided to do is to build our own building, which is IBS Hall today. We started the construction back in September 2015, and it took us for 2 years to complete its building back in February 2018. So now we have a very cutting-edge 3 core facilities installed inside the IBS Hall, which is to integrate chemistry, nanoengineering, and biomedical sciences to foster cross-disciplinary research. The philosophy of IBS Hall, I would say it opens to eventually cross into disciplinary research, and curvature is a form which is open to changes and it brings up with flexibility. And so the ultimate goal for the philosophy of IBS Hall is to open the spaces which can be easily modified and flexible to the purpose of the experiment. Within IBS CNM, we have an administration team to eventually look after overall management of the center, and not only secretarial level, but in a more comprehensive manner. Advanced Science Institute also runs a graduate program of nano-biomedical engineering. We've been working together with a number of scientists from all over the places, including MIT, Caltech, Harvard, University of California, San Francisco, University of Michigan, and Texas A&M University. So the motivation for this collaboration in terms of globalized level is to bring up with research exchange and scientific collaboration, opportunity given to not only researchers, but also to graduate students of nanobiomedical engineering program.
The space arrangement of the 5 floors aims to foster collaboration and convergence with the broader and unifying themes of transformative nanomedicine. With these state-of-the-art instruments, routine analyses and characterization of most nanomaterials can be conducted in-house without any delay, significantly facilitating the process of synthesis and development of novel nanomaterials with new properties and functionalities. The third and below ground floors are featured with the facilities, including the Nano Characterization Core for the design and synthesis of evolutionary nanomaterials with stimulus-responsive properties and the new functional capabilities. The fourth floor focuses on the development and fabrication of nanorobotics and nanodevices with the Device Fabrication Core. Established on the fifth floor of the IBS Hall, Biomedical Core houses state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technologies in the field of biology, medicine, and biomedical engineering. We always look for the most challenging problems in nanomedicine and strive to answer them via a team science approach. We are not the followers of the hype of nanoscience or nanomedicine. Rather, we are a leading group of people tackling unsolved, difficult problems, challenging them by a unique combination of nanoscience and biomedical sciences. For the first 5-year phase, we have finally completed a state-of-the-art research infrastructure to fully support our interdisciplinary research. Our system is now ready to pursue bigger science through a strong, collaborative approach. Along with these achievements, we have cultivated a unique and an advanced research environment which values the team science principle towards interdisciplinary, cross-boundary research. We strongly believe we can ultimately reach our goal to be the world-class research institute in the field of nanomedicine.
We want to be a global hub in nanomedicine. We want to create a playground where scientists get together and tackle hard problems. At the end of the day, this will give new opportunities for not only for the scientists but also for the human beings in general for betterment of our life in the future.
Excellence in science.